Hello everybody, Keegan here doing another pack opening. Did 25 packs last time, let's try 30 this time. Hopefully I can get better luck this time. Let's start this. Come on, a diamond. Oh, Delino Shield, not too bad. Pompey, Avila. Yeah, wasn't too bad. That would be better. And looks like an 82. Howie Kendrick, not sure how much that one's worth, but Ben Revere, not too bad. Not too bad, not too bad. You can kind of get a silver, at least it makes it a bit more worthwhile than getting all these useless cards. Yeah, not a very good one. Dominic Brown. Ackley. Come on, someone good. Come on. I want to see gold. Kevin Pillar, Kristen Offria. Nothing too great. Let's keep this. Let's get something good here. That'd be nice. Don't make it pointless again. Oh, Jonathan Villar, not too bad. Wilson Ramos. Okay. Gotta get lucky here. Castro. Nothing. Pointless Park. Another one of those silvers. Will Middlebrooks, Ricky Weeks. Come on. Only got one diamond in total since I started playing this game. So I could really use another one. Oh, gold, what's that? 2 Connor Gillespies. I think that thing's only worth about 500, but, better than nothing. Silver bat. Brock Holt, another silver glove. Colby Rasmus. Come on. Nothing. Oh, jeez. 19 left to go. Gotta get better luck this time. Ooh, I see a gold. Ooh, Ryan Braun, he's selling for about 3,000. Nick Markakis. Not too bad. Now the next year gonna suck because of that probably, but who knows? Yeah. Cameron Maben. Cabrera. Yeah, come on. Need a good outfielder. Nothing. Nope. Come on. Yankee Stadium, that's worth like 80 if I sell it. Marlon Bird. Melvin Upton Jr. went down to 71. Wow. Okay. By the way, I'm opening positions player packs because I find they're usually better value to open. Turns out I might be a bit wrong on that. Jason Castro, Pedro Alvarez, Mike Napoli, not too bad. Basically just gonna feed them to my player anyways. Carlos Correa, he's selling for 3,000 right now, so that's a good one. Solid. Might be a 77, but everyone's expecting him to go up a bit, so everyone's trying to buy him, so I'll sell him. Chase Peterson, Holt. Yeah, come on. Gotta get something good here. Gotta get something good. Nope. Starting to get impatient here and need another gold. Stupid Yankee Stadium doesn't help. Diddy. McGahee. Another one of those brown statues not helping. John Singleton's alright though. Still needed gold. So our sponsorship looks like an 84. Ian Desmond, not bad. Gold glove, solid. Him and Desmond, you know, that was worth it. That was worth it. Hopefully that's not the last gold I get. Hopefully at least one more. Another Middlebrooks. Let's keep this going. One more gold. Ooh, is that an 86? Ooh, even Longoria selling. Evan Longoria selling for about 4,000 right now. Solid. Chris Young. Liking it, liking it. Oh, an 80. Ooh, and gold cleats. Johnny Peralta and gold cleats. Yeah, solid, solid. Probably get 1 to 2,000 in total for that. Let's see what else I can get here. Another Middlebrooks, another Cabrera. You know, in general, those are a lot of, you know, decent guys, so maybe they'll go up. Another damn shirt. That ain't helping. 4 more to go. Let's see. Nothing, 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 nothing. Come on. Come on. 30,000 stubs here. Come on. Ooh, 79. Yeah, Torrey Hunter. He's alright. Another Carrera, so, you know, another 2,000-3,000 right there, solid. Last pack. No. Come on. Come on. Ah, that sucked. Well, that was 30 packs. That went pretty quick. I don't know if it was worthwhile for me, but got some players to feed to my creative player. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll be doing another few pack openings coming soon. Please subscribe as well. I'm doing a lot more videos every few days now, so thanks. Take care.